I'm Beth from Central Market in Paulsbo, and these are my grandkids, Grayson and Mia. We can't host our annual gingerbread decorating event this year, so we're here to show you how easy it is to do from home. The gingerbread houses are fully assembled. All you need to do is decorate. You ready, kids? All right, let's get started. Inside the box is a package of icing and some candies. Yes, we're gonna decorate it. I'll put some on the roof. Let's turn it like this. Yeah. You can also decorate with colorful cereal, pretzel sticks, or assorted candy from our bulk foods department. A little bit. Mia, you want to put something there? There you go. I think that looks great. I think we're just about done. Well, what do you think, guys?
That was fun.